Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Ocube. Today's tutorial is how I got this beautiful trending Instagram GELE. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. I love you all so much. So without much ado, let's get started with this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. So now let's get started. To start, I've already plated my plates and I've laid it down on a head already. So I'll just try to cross over the two sides of the ashoke. And now I divided the ashoke into the ratio 70-30. So the 30% of the ashoke I'll twist, then raise up to where my last plate stopped, and tell my model or client to help me hold the part while I work on the other part. So the 70% of the ashoke, now I'll start forming my plates. I'll form my plates up to some extent before I start slanting it in a way like I'm doing a fan GELE. So I'm just trying to achieve my plates over here. Then you see the way my hand is going. At the point I started slanting my plates because I'm trying to achieve a fan-like style at the side. So I'll keep doing it until I've achieved what I want. So just watch and follow. If you don't understand anything, let me know what you think of this GELE tutorial. And if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, support your girl. So and let me know what you expect to see next in my next upload. So you can see the fan is beginning to come out already. So I'm just holding the remaining ashoke with one hand while I use my other hand to slant it and form the fan. So I'll take it until I get to the end of the ashoke. See, it's until it finishes. See, immediately it finishes, I'm using one hand to hold the end of where it's finished. Then I'll twist the ashoke to the other side and start forming like a bow, like a rose, a bow like stuff now. So I'll just carry it and form a rose stuff over there. I'll just take it all around and use a pin to make sure it's properly secured. I'll use a pin to secure the rose and also use a pin to secure the twisted part of the ashoke, which I'm trying to do over here. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you all in my next one. I love you all. Mwah. Bye loves.